Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's Double Knitted Brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to rearrange 3 pairs of stitches from their usual knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl order into knit, 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 purl, purl, purl in readiness for working one of the 5 simple double decreases found in the book. The first thing to do is to insert the tip of the right needle purlwise into the front of the first stitch with its yarn over, the third stitch with its yarn over, and the 5th stitch with its yarn over on the left needle, missing out the 2nd and 4th stitches entirely. Then you're going to slide the left needle tip out of those 5 stitches with their yarn overs. The 2nd and 4th ones pop free at the back of the work, and then before they get a chance to go anywhere, slide that left needle back into those free stitches. Give everything a nice little jiggle to even up any tension, and as you can see, I've now got 3 brown knit stitches on my front needle, followed by 1, 2, 3 blue purl stitches on the back needle, all with their yarn overs in attendance. The last thing to do is simply slip these 3 knit stitches purlwise from the right needle back to the left, including their yarn overs. There we are. That's all there is to it. Now I've got 1, 2, 3 brown knit stitches on my needle ready to work whatever decrease I want to, followed by the 3 purl stitches ready to work the corresponding decrease for the back of the fabric. And that's how you rearrange your 3 pairs of stitches from knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl to knit, 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 purl, purl, purl. Zip!